One done, 50 million to go. Welcome to my channel, Living Your Best Life, and I'm Cindy Smaha, and I'm sure many of you are doing this same thing, wrapping presents and putting up Christmas decorations and all that good fun stuff. So today's video is going to be on how to care for your skin in the winter months with my DIY lotion. And this lotion can be used anywhere: your body, your hands, your face, even your hair. If your hair gets a little frizzy, you can use it there. But please be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right next to it so you'll be notified of all my future uploads. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment and let me know what you would like to see in future videos, because I'm thinking about doing a holiday glam video, such as the eyeshadow I have on now. I purchased the new Man-Eater Tarte eyeshadow palette for myself for the holidays. A little present to me, and let me know if you'd like to see that in videos. So without further ado, keep on watching, and here's the video. Our ingredients are beeswax, refined coconut oil, vitamin E oil, and shea butter. You also need some good hot pads and a rubber spatula. And of course your handy dandy mixer. Okay, our beeswax goes in first. We're going to take 2 teaspoons of beeswax. You can always use more, and it'll just make a more of a thicker consistency, more of a balmy consistency. Okay, that goes into the microwave for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Okay, make sure you use your hot pads. Next, we're going to be putting in 2 tablespoons of our coconut oil. Okay, make sure that the coconut oil melts with the beeswax. Again, this is going to be hot, and you just want to make sure that all that's incorporated. If you can mix a cake, you can do this. Now, once it's all melted and the coconut oil is all liquefied, we are now going to be putting it in the freezer. Yes, I know you're saying in the freezer. Yes, in the freezer. And see, it's a little cooler and it's all incorporated. Now we're going to put in 2 teaspoons of vitamin E oil. And now our shea butter. And again, make sure that you incorporate each ingredient thoroughly into the mixture after you enter it in. So there's 1, 2, let's see, 3. How many of these do we get in here? And don't do as I do, kids. Make sure you turn off the mixer first before you put in the ingredients. Yeah, not a good idea. Okay. And, oh, looks good. Oh, I guess I'm going to put in 4 tablespoons of shea butter into it. Now look how nice and creamy that is. Ooh, that looks so nice. Looks like it's all ready to be put in the jar, and there it is. I did put it in the refrigerator for just a little bit, and look how nice that is. So our DIY lotion moisturizer is done. I got it. Whew. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope you give it a try and make the recipe your own. Even though I used the coconut oil and the shea butter and the vitamin E and the beeswax, you know, make it your own. Put in some essential oils in there if you like that. Make it your own. And you don't have to use the amounts that I did. You notice that they weren't exact, but I hope this is helpful. And you know what? As you can see, I'm 57 years old and my hands do not look like I'm 57. So, you know what? It works. So, again, I hope this was helpful for you, and I just love that you watch me. And please leave me a comment with some ideas, because I'm always happy about, modifying the recipe. So I hope you have a peaceful week, an enjoyable week, and get a lot of stuff done. So I'll see you next week, Monday at 4. Have a great week. Bye-bye.